In this video, you will learn how to archive and delete cards and lists in Placker. If there's a card that you don't want to keep in your Placker board, click that card, and on the panel, click the three dots to open more options. You can select if you want to copy, archive, or delete a card. If you select delete a card, this will remove it from your board and you can't reverse this action. But if you click archive, it will be stored so you can restore it later. For example, if you have changed your mind and want to bring that card back again, click more on the top right corner, scroll down and select Restore from Archive. This will open a list with all the cards that you have archived, where you can click the Unarchived card icon. After a few seconds, the card will appear again on your board. You can use the same process to archive or delete a list. When you click a list, click the More Options button and delete the cards or the whole list. This way, you can delete your data permanently or make it available to be restored later.